Want to learn Forex trading but don't know where to start? This video is your complete beginner's guide. We'll cover everything from what Forex is to how to place your first trade. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's where currencies like USD, EUR, GBP and JPY are traded. Did you know it is the world's largest financial market? Over $6 trillion is traded daily. So, how does Forex work? You trade currency pairs like EUR, USD or GBP, JPY. If you think one currency will rise against another, you buy it. If you believe it will fall, you sell it. Price changes are affected by news, interest rates, and global events. Now, here's what you need to start trading. A broker like XNES, OctaFX, or IC Markets. A trading platform such as MetaTrader 4 or 5. Basic education on risk management. A demo account to practice risk-free. Let's place a sample trade in MetaTrader 5. Imagine you want to buy EUR USD because it broke resistance with strong volume. You set a stop loss and take profit. And you're done. That's how easy it can be. However, there are common mistakes to avoid. Don't overtrade. Avoid risking more than 1 to 2% per trade. Don't make emotional decisions. Always use a stop loss. Finally, learn about the risk-to-reward ratio. Let's recap what we discussed today. Forex is the world's largest financial market. You trade currency pairs based on your predictions. Ensure you have the right tools and knowledge to get started. And remember the common mistakes to avoid for a smoother journey. If you found this helpful, drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what topic you want next. Price action, scalping, indicators, or how to pass a funded challenge.